Word Study Wednesday, where we go over the Greek in a biblical passage. Sometimes it's just going to be a word, and sometimes it's a phrase. But we get underneath the hood, and we see what's going on. Our passage today is from the book of Titus, verse 3. And at the proper time manifested in his word through the preaching with which I have been entrusted. So, our word today, really a phrase, his word, dan lagan. Dan lagan, the word, is functioning as the direct object. Dan lagan is both in what we call as the accusative case. In most translations, translate lagan as the word, as word. For example, in the ESV, the NASB, the New King James all translate dan lagan as the word. While some translate it as a message, the NLT, but some completely omit it altogether, like the NIV, and that's not wrong. It's just choice in translation. So our question: should this be translated as the word, or should it be translated as the message? To that end, I want to pose a question. What is the word disclosing? What is being disclosed? What is being disclosed is the gospel message. It's the gospel message. And next, I want to leave you with some concluding thoughts. The Logon word is the gospel in 1 Timothy 4:5. Logon is functioning grammatically as a direct object he revealed. Next, the word brought to light through the preaching must be referenced through the gospel, which form the content of the Christian message. In this context, his word is simply his message, the gospel of Jesus Christ. He made clear his word, the phrase, he made clear his word in the pastoral epistles is a synonym for the gospel message. 1 Timothy 1:9, Titus 1:9, Titus 2:5, 2 Timothy 2:9, 2 Timothy 2:15, and 2 Timothy 4:2. This is what I want you to conclude with, that this, so to recap. Now it's true, logos, and in our friend, it would be that the accusative form of logos is lagan, and sometimes it makes sense to translate it as the word. But in other times, it's best to translate it, like in our case and in our passage, dan lagan, his word, the word, is actually a synonym for his message, a synonym for the gospel message. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.